Assalamualaikum viewers. My name is Mohammed Asim and I'm an English training instructor at TRACS. We have got people over here who came here with modicum of knowledge of the language, but you can find the difference exactly after 15 days. We have Mr. Bilal here who joined us 15 days ago. We welcome you, Mr. Bilal, over here. My first question is, why did you join TRACS?
Actually, I'm an advocate by my profession, and we have to speak in Urdu as well as in English very fluently while in course. So my friend suggested me to join TRACS Institute for spoken English class.
Okay. Any difference you find in 15 days once you joined us and now?
Actually, when I came to this institute 15 days ago, I know the English language, but my barriers were I was not fluent, I was making grammatical mistakes, and I was shy. And now I think I have overcome almost all my barriers.
So how do you feel about future now?
Actually, I'm happy to join TRACS Institute. The environment is very conducive, and the team of TRACS Institute is very competent. And I will keep on learning to improve my fluency.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.